Hello, everyone. Happy Friday. I'm never sure on these Facebook Lives if they start when the little live icon comes up or when the clock starts. So, hello, everyone. Happy Friday. I'm so excited to be back with you today. It is a rainy, kind of overcast day here in Atlanta. So I'm super excited to spend a little bit of a bright spot with y'all today. Hi, Vicky. I have some beautiful new fabrics to share with you today that I'm particularly excited about. And I'm just happy it's Friday. So say hi. Tell me what's on your sewing table. Tell me what your weekend plans are. I have none. I'm going to be doing homework all weekend. So let me live vicariously through you. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Mom. I'm super excited to be with y'all today. And I have seven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like 7 beautiful fabrics to share. And of course, every comment will enter you to win the reveal boot. Exciting stuff all around. All around. Do y'all want me to get started? Hi, Sandy. So I'm so excited because this first fabric, hi Stephanie. There we go. There we go. This first fabric makes me so happy. This is another one of our designer double brush polys. I'm pretty sure it's directional, so I want to make sure I show it to you the right way. Good morning, everybody. So we have Happy Puppy double brush poly. And they're just so cute. And they're just so adorable. You just can't beat little puppies, right? And again, I forgot to tip this down so y'all could see more fabric. Hi, Amy. Gymnastics, Leos. That sounds fun. So this is a 95.5 poly spandex blend. It's 180 GSM. It has 100% horizontal stretch and 25% vertical stretch. So it's super, super, super stretchy. And just look how cute these little puppies are. I love a good puppy. Hi, Linda. Pink coral in there. Oh, so cute. Light pink also coordinates. And then, of course, we have a stash of blues here. Navy Midnight is going to be some of that darker stuff. Chambray, so beautiful. Light Slate. And that one is going to match your background. And sky blue. So lots of beautiful colors to choose from with these cute little puppies. They make me so ridiculously happy. So this is our Happy Puppy double brush poly. And it's so soft. And I dropped it. It's so soft. And I cannot wait to see all of the cute things y'all make out of this because it's just precious. I love it. I love it. Oh, weather is the worst when it affects your internet. Ours was out for a good hour today. So I'm here with you. So that is my first fabric. And I have a restock for y'all today. This fabric is so beautiful. We have a restock of our Marsala. It's one of my favorite solids. It's such a beautiful, rich color. This is a 96.4 poly spandex. It's 180 GSM. It also has 100% horizontal stretch, but it has 50% vertical stretch. Lots of stretch. Such a great coordinate. It looks beautiful. It's a great color. It's nice and rich. It screams fall. Fall and curl up in the softness. Again, it's hot here. I don't need much of a color or much of a sweater. That one is Marsala. That one is Marsala. You know what, y'all? I have a woven for you this week. I know some of you are a little bit apprehensive about the wovens, but I absolutely love them. I just think that they're just wonderful. I cannot grab the 2 different layers though. I'm having some struggle here. I'm on the struggle bus. So we have this beautiful yellow Swiss dot chiffon for you this week. So this is absolutely gorgeous. It is a chiffon fabric that has those beautiful Swiss dots on them. It is definitely sheer. That double layer though looks quite beautiful. It's just gorgeous. This is a 100% polyester. It's 98 GSM, so it's nice and lightweight, and it has no stretch. But it's so lovely, and it's coming through a little bit, I think, a little warmer in yellow than it is in real life. Um, but it's just a beautiful, lovely yellow. So if yellows are your jam, this is going to be a win for you. So this is our texture, but the chiffon texture is just absolutely beautiful. And then that Swiss dot on top is so cute. It's so cute. I just love it. I just love it. What do I have next? Oh, y'all, I have a beautiful French terry for you. We've had this one sitting on the shelf for a little bit here, waiting for its premiere, waiting for us to be ready to show it to you, because we gotta get all the pictures and do all the things. But look at this terracotta lily French terry. It's so beautiful. It's perfect for fall. It is a poly rayon spandex blend. So that rayon really gives it beautiful softness, which is wonderful. It's 200 GSM. It has 25% horizontal stretch, and it is stable vertically, so none of that vertical stretch there. But it's just beautiful. Look at these beautiful colors in there. Absolutely gorgeous. And I have tons of coordinates for you. Tons. Oh, I'm struggling here. It's just a struggle day, guys. Just a struggle day. Okay, we have some black. There's just a little bit of vintage sage, one of my favorites. We have some evergreen. Beautiful. Beautiful. Light pink. Oh, so pretty. I have tons and tons of pinks. Tons of them. We have, not pink coral. That was from the last stash. Light Marsala. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. I'm actually going to set these down so y'all can see the pinks together. Marsala, the one we just restocked. So that one looks gorgeous. Cinnamon, if you like the little brighter red to that. We have terracotta. And no surprise, light terracotta. And then we have both Cabernet and dark raisin and maroon. So really the range. And I need a fall cardigan or a fall dress. A fall dress would be beautiful. Maybe some joggers would be adorable. Y'all know I love me some French terry. So this is terracotta lily French terry, and it's wonderful. It's wonderful, and the coordinates are just beautiful. So we also have a wonderful Liverpool for you. We don't have a lot of Liverpools in stock right now, but this one is one of my favorites. This is the Denim Look Liverpool. And just look at that beautiful texture that is really just reads jeans. So if you are looking to make some comfy pull-on jeans, faux jeans, this is going to be a big winner for you. This is a poly spandex blend. I'm so sorry for all the people having internet problems. If that is coming from me, I am so sorry. My internet has been pretty terrible today, so it might be on my end. I'm very sorry. So this is Denim Look Liverpool, 96.4 poly spandex, 200 GSM, so it's that perfect weight. I love Liverpool for pants. I love it for dresses and skirts, cardigans. It's just a really great structure of a fabric. The drape on it is just really beautiful. It has such great body to it. So yeah, I think most people either love or hate Liverpool. I love it. Virginia hates it. So I think it just comes down to whether you're a fan of the texture of the back of it. This is 200 GSM. It has 100% horizontal stretch, but it is stable vertically. So pay attention to those patterns, especially if you're going to make some pull-on pants. A lot of those do require vertical stretch, so just pay attention to what is needed, because this one has great horizontal stretch and zero vertical. So that is our Denim Look Liverpool Solid. I'm plowing through these fabrics. I'm already through 5 of the 7. It's not showing me I'm having any problems. It's seems to be running as usual. So if it's problematic for everybody, let me know. Um, we have restocked the Evergreen double brush poly. I love this double brush poly. It is such a beautiful color. It's a great green. It really is that beautiful evergreen. It's poly spandex blend, of course, 180 GSM, 75% horizontal stretch and 50% vertical stretch. So nice and stretchy, super versatile, and this green is just beautiful. It's perfect for fall. I want to make all the things with it, y'all. So that is back in stock. Stock up on that coordinate while we've got it. I only have one more fabric. This has gone way too fast. Way too fast. But I did save a really good fabric for last. I did. Because we have been stocking our athletic knits all summer. And this one might be my favorite color. This is the Mulberry athletic knit. So this is a nylon spandex blend. It's 88% performance nylon and 12% spandex. It's 265 GSM and 90% horizontal stretch and 60% vertical stretch. So super, super, super stretchy. Great recovery. Definitely going to pass that squat test. So whether you're at the grocery store and bending down to grab a box of cereal or you're in the gym doing some squats, this is going to be solid for you. And it's just so soft and beautiful. I absolutely love the texture of it. And the color is so rich and gorgeous. I love it. I love it. Deborah, yes, that green, that evergreen is a double brush poly. It is back in stock, which we are excited about. So I have a few announcements. Well, I have an announcement. Thank you to everyone who entered the curated bundle contest. I absolutely love all of the pictures that y'all have. We are closing that post. We're downloading all that pictures and prepping to put an album up for voting. So keep an eye out this afternoon for a post, an album, so you can go in and vote for your favorites, for the ones that you would like to see as bundles. And we will announce the winner as well this afternoon. And then the winner from last week's live video is Elise Harrison. So congratulations. Please email us at info@slyfoxfabrics.com to claim your reveal booty. Don't forget that every comment on this video all week enters you to win this week's reveal booty. So you would get 7 1-yard cuts of fabric, which is amazing. And I'm just excited to be here. I talked way too fast. It's a 10-minute video this week. So fast. So have fun, happy sewing, and keep an eye out this afternoon for the next section of the curated bundle contest, and we will get these fabrics live and on the site here in the next few minutes, and I will go ahead and post in the group. So have a wonderful weekend, everybody, and happy sewing.